Can you use conditionals inside loops in Python? Breaking news for programmers. The question on many minds today is whether you can use conditionals inside loops in Python. This topic is trending as more people dive into programming and seek to understand how to make their code more dynamic. If you are learning Python or looking to improve your skills, this is essential information. Yes, you can use conditionals inside loops in Python. This practice allows you to control the flow of your program based on certain conditions while repeating a set of instructions. Python has two main types of loops: for loops and while loops. For loops are used to iterate over a sequence, such as a list or a string. For example, if you have a list of fruits, you can loop through it and print each fruit. This is a straightforward way to handle lists in your code. On the other hand, while loops execute a block of code as long as a specific condition is true. For instance, if you want to print numbers from 0 to 4, you can set a condition that checks if the number is less than 5. Now, let's talk about how conditionals work inside these loops. You can use statements like if, elif, and else to make decisions based on the current state of the loop or its variables. This adds a layer of control to your code. For example, consider a list of numbers. If you want to print only the even numbers, you can use an if statement inside a for loop. The code checks if each number is even and prints it if true. Similarly, in a while loop, you can use an if statement to break out of the loop when a certain condition is met. For instance, if you want to stop printing numbers when you reach 5, you can use an if statement to check for that condition. Using conditionals inside loops is beneficial for dynamically controlling your program's flow. It allows you to filter data, handle exceptions, or make decisions based on user input. This technique can be especially useful when you want to skip certain items in a list or exit a loop early when a specific condition is met. Combining loops with conditionals is a powerful way to write flexible and efficient code in Python. As you continue to learn and practice Python, remember that mastering loops and conditionals will significantly enhance your programming skills. Keep experimenting with different scenarios, and you will see how these concepts work together to create robust applications. Stay tuned for more programming tips and tricks.